Frieze, exploring an architectural marvel for IELTS success. Imagine walking into an ancient Greek temple and seeing a continuous band of intricate carvings running along the walls. That's a frieze, an architectural element that has captivated people for millennia. Today, we're exploring this word to enhance your IELTS vocabulary. Word type: frieze is a noun. It's pronounced as frieze, meaning a frieze is a horizontal band of sculpture or painting, typically forming part of a wall in a building. It's often decorative and can depict various scenes or patterns. Word history: the term frieze comes from the Latin Phrygium through French, originally referring to a type of embroidered cloth from Phrygia, an ancient region of central Anatolia. Antonyms: while there aren't direct antonyms for frieze, some contrasting architectural terms include column, pillar, and vault. Synonyms: some related terms include relief, mural, decorative band, and sculptural panel. Examples used in sentences: the Parthenon's famous frieze depicts a procession of figures from Greek mythology. The modern office building incorporated a sleek metal frieze that wrapped around its facade. The artist spent months carving an intricate wooden frieze for the library's reading room. Common errors in use: one common mistake is confusing frieze with frieze due to their identical pronunciation. Remember, a frieze is an architectural feature, while freeze relates to cold temperatures or stopping motion. Another error is misusing the term to describe any decorative element in a building. A frieze specifically refers to a horizontal band, not vertical or isolated decorative features. Mastering words like frieze can significantly enhance your descriptive vocabulary, particularly useful in the IELTS writing and speaking sections when discussing architecture, art, or cultural heritage. By understanding its precise meaning and usage, you demonstrate a sophisticated command of English crucial for achieving that band 9.0 score.